What you doing? So you got all this stuff. She got everything she needs for her baby. And of course, this little bag came from Amazon.
Yay!
So,
Woohoo!
yeah. So we're going to see what came in there. I think that's powder. Yep, powder for your baby. And she got a little potty.
And a little beard.
Uh-huh.
And her freaking pack.
And a
we
block.
also have a pushy drop. Who's that? A DJ or the DJ? Do I want to drink it?
Oh, she got a sippy cup. Oh, that's cute.
If I got some holders I can hold on.
Oh, handles? Yeah, they got handles.
We got a little hat.
Yeah.
Here's her hat I got. And I got some baby. What is this?
I think it could be like lotion or
And it
Yeah.
can be.
it can be whatever you want it to be. Those I think those are her baby food bottles.
And her door, you find her. Oh, her little plate. Aww.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
She is ready.
to eat.
Yes.
I'm ready to go on a trip.
Uh-huh.
And so
What's that?
It's so collecting.
It's an elephant. Yeah, she got a little toy. I think she like that.
And her got a little pull up. Aw. So
She has a pamper. What's the design on the pamper?
It's some.
Oh, that's a cute little pamper. That is so cute.
And one of these. Aw.
A little comb with little bear ears. That's a comb. She has a bottle. Oh yeah, she looks thirsty.
Also package this for the dinner.
Oh, so she can play with it and teeth on it.
And her did that.
Wow. That is so cute. I love that.
Oh my gosh.
And you got her another bottle?
And 2 bottles.
2 bottles. Okay, one could be milk and one could be juice.
And then it could be milk.
Yes, that's right.
Do you want to drink this milk?
That's juice.
Do you want to
That's a
drink this?
that's a juice. That's a milk one.
Be drinking surprises in her milk.
Uh-huh. She got a spoon. Uh-oh, that went in the chair. It's okay. We'll get it later. You got it? Oh, it's one of her blocks. Okay. It was one of her blocks. Yeah, one of her little toys that she can play with.
Wow! Surprise!
That could be lotion.
There could be something in there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and it opens. Oh, wow. That is so cool. And you can put lotion in there for your baby. She's just sitting here so nicely. So nicely.
Baby, do you want
What? Well, I thought she was sitting there nicely. What happened? What's wrong with her?
Baby, why are you crying? Do you want your milk? Yes.
Uh-oh. Did she just have a fall? Uh-oh. Yeah, she's crying. Wah! 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 Hmm.
Baby, don't cry. You got some sanitizer. Make you feel better.
Oh, that's sanitizer? Oh, okay. You turned it from lotion to sanitizer. Wow. Okay, I like that idea too. Because we do need to keep our hands clean even when we're traveling, so germs don't get on it. And the rest of your bottle looks like maybe it could be shampoo or body wash.
I wanted these.
This can be like your
Toothpaste.
shampoo or
Toothpaste.
okay, she said toothpaste. Okay.
And then we have to put this in here.
And she has an extra pacifier. She has an extra one just in case you lose the other one. And another baby food jar. These can be anything your little child wants them to be because they don't have any labels on them. So they can be absolutely anything. This is a fork. And can you open that one? Can you show them what that is? While you're doing that, I'm going to show them the potty. She has a little potty just in case she has to go potty on the trip. So she has her own little potty.
We're going on a trip.
Yes.
And her guys now I'm ready to go on a trip.
Yes, we're all ready with all of these toys from Amazon. Except for the baby's hat. That's the only thing that didn't come in here. And that's her hat that just came off, so we just put it in there. All these things came in this little bag. This little travel bag, and I like this because she can just put her stuff right back in there and take it with her. So this is a great toy. Everything's like a hard plastic. Yeah, like a hard plastic.
Okay, baby,
the tops don't come off, except for the lotion top does come off. Not that one. The lotion that you turn into hand sanitizer. And these have little details on them. So they're pretty.
Where are you?
I like this little
Are you sleepy?
toy.
Are you lucky?
And it came
What
with.
is that for?
That's her bath cloth when you take her bath.
Oh.
And
that's what bath is?
yeah, let me show them to them first, okay? Let's show them the little elephant. This is a little bath toy.
Bath toy.
And it has a hose, so when you squeeze it, he spits out water. So I thought that was cute. This is about the only thing that's kind of squishy material. Kind of silicone-y. Silicone-y. Maybe not a word, but it's kind of squishy. Yes, so where are you and your baby going?
To a trip.
Going on a trip. Where are you going? Do you know?
I take all her party. So I will go to the big party.
Uh-huh.
And I like for her to do these. And no, nothing gonna be in there. And more can be in there.
Yeah, that little orange container opens and you can put whatever you would like inside. Let me show them the sippy cup up close. We dropped it. I'm sorry. Can you hand it to me?
And you can do this.
Yeah, can you hand me the sippy cup? That's her little spoon. Let me see. Oh, look at that. I thought this was cute because it's actually clear.
I see it for opening.
I don't think it opened that one. I don't think it opens. I don't think the top. Let me see. No, I just tried and the top does not come off. But it's still really cute. It has a bear on the top. And it's this bright pink, which is pretty. I thought this was a cute touch.
Oh, so cute.
A pamper. Let's see the design on the pamper. And it came with this little pamper, guys, with little bears and rainbows, unicorns, little blocks. This is so cute. This design on this pamper is just adorable. I like this. It may be a bit big, a little bit too big for her, but we can definitely find a doll that will fit it. But for now, we're going to pack it for her.
Yeah.
Right? We're going to pack all her things up because she is ready to go.
Wait.
Yes, she is.
Wait.
Say, yes, I am. I am ready.
Wait, baby. Your dog's falling out.
Can she actually use this pacifier? I know she has one in her mouth, but I think this one's a little bit too big. Yeah. Let's use the one that came with her. Let's put it in her mouth. There you go, baby. Does your baby have a name?
Mm-hmm.
What's her name?
I think I heard my sister.
She's your sister. What's your sister's name?
This baby.
Oh, just baby. Okay. Baby. Hey, baby.
Mama.
Okay, you got everything packed back up?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You got it all in there. What time are y'all leaving?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? 10 o'clock in the morning or 10 o'clock at night?
10 o'clock at night.
At night?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'm coming to.
You gonna do what? You gonna do what?
I'm thinking of have a little party. I want it.
Okay.
A party. And whatever her wants.
You did good because you got everything your little baby needs. Everything in one little bag. So, y'all have a nice trip. Don't forget to bring me something back. Okay?
Okay.
He'll bring me something back on your trip.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all have a safe trip. Can you say bye-bye to your friends?
Bye-bye, friends. Hope you were liking and comment. And don't forget to ring that bell. And don't forget to like and comment and wait. And don't forget to maybe wait.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll help you. I'll help you with that. I'll help you, okay? You can go ahead and end the video. Don't forget to
like and comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.
bye. Please give this video a like if you like this video. Want to see more of our little adventures and little toy review. So give us a like.
And
Subscribe to our channel.
bye.
Bye guys.